Foldable Bluetooth keyboards provide portable, wireless typing convenience for phones, tablets, laptops, and travel. My today's video is about top 5 best foldable Bluetooth keyboards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Protoarc Foldable Bluetooth Keyboards. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a convenient solution for anyone who wants laptop-style productivity while traveling. Its built-in multi-touch touchpad combines keyboard and mouse functions, so there's no need to carry a separate mouse. The trifold design is especially practical, with an integrated phone stand and PU leather carrying pouch that keep everything organized and portable. I like the 88-key layout with larger 0.65-inch keycaps and a dedicated shortcut row, providing a more comfortable typing experience than many compact keyboards. Bluetooth 5.1 supports connections with up to 3 devices, allowing quick switching between a phone, tablet, and laptop without repeated pairing. The 300 mAh battery offers up to 120 days of standby time, while autosleep helps conserve power during inactivity. USB-C charging is also convenient for everyday use. Overall, it's a compact and versatile travel keyboard that combines comfortable typing, touchpad control, and multi-device connectivity in one portable package. Now our second product is Tecknet Foldable Bluetooth Keyboards. This foldable keyboard is an excellent choice for travel, remote work, and mobile productivity. Folding down to just 7.26 by 4.52 by 0.9 inches, it fits easily into a backpack or briefcase, while the durable aluminum alloy hinge is rated for over 100,000 folds. The included device stand adds convenience for using a tablet or phone alongside the keyboard. I especially like the ultra-quiet scissor switch keys, which reduce typing noise and make it suitable for libraries, offices, and shared spaces. It can connect to 3 devices simultaneously through Bluetooth and a 2.4G USB receiver, allowing quick switching between Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. The rechargeable design uses USB-C and features autosleep to extend standby time up to 275 days. With a 99-key full-size layout, numeric keypad, and 12 multimedia shortcuts, it provides a desktop-like typing experience. Overall, it's a compact yet feature-rich keyboard for flexible work and travel. Our third product is Moco Foldable Bluetooth Keyboards. The Moco Foldable Keyboard and Mouse combo is a practical travel solution for anyone who wants a full desktop-style setup on the go. The 13.5 x 4.5-inch folding keyboard includes a number pad and dedicated shortcut keys, making it useful for typing, calculations, and everyday productivity. Its slim, flat design folds quickly without locking clips and packs easily into the included hard carrying case. The ergonomic wireless mouse fits comfortably in the palm, offers 3 DPI settings, and uses quiet 23 dB microswitches for discrete operation. I also like the seamless 3-device connectivity, supporting Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android through Bluetooth 5.0 and a 2.4G receiver. The included tablet stand accommodates 4 11-inch devices, adding flexibility for mobile work. Whisper quiet scissor keys and a non-slip PU leather base provide comfortable typing. With rechargeable batteries, 90 to 120 days of standby, and automatic sleep mode, it's a convenient productivity kit for travel and hybrid work. Now number 4, Womaton Foldable Bluetooth Keyboards. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a convenient choice for remote workers, digital nomads, and anyone managing multiple devices. It can pair with up to 3 devices and supports compatible iPad, iPhone, Android tablets, Windows laptops, and Mac devices, making switching between devices quick and easy. The compact folding design measures just 7.24 by 4.52 by 0.43 inches, so it fits easily into a backpack, laptop bag, or travel pouch. I especially like the built-in number pad, which makes spreadsheets, accounting, and data entry much easier than with typical compact keyboards. The included foldable phone stand is also useful for creating a simple mobile workstation anywhere. System shortcuts allow convenient switching between iOS, Android, Windows, and macOS layouts. The rechargeable battery charges through USB-C in about 2 hours, while autosleep after 30 minutes of inactivity helps conserve power. Overall, it's a portable and practical keyboard for flexible everyday work. And our last choice is Samsur's Foldable Bluetooth Keyboards. This Samsur's folding Bluetooth keyboard is a convenient companion for travel, business trips, and mobile work. Its ultra-thin, palm-sized design weighs only 5.53 ounces, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag without taking up much space. The near-standard keyboard layout provides comfortable and accurate typing, while quiet keys help maintain focus in shared environments. I especially like the built-in multi-touch touchpad, which allows easy navigation without carrying a separate mouse. The included phone stand holder also provides a comfortable viewing angle while typing. Its rechargeable battery offers up to 48 hours of use or extended standby after a 2 or 3 hour charge. Bluetooth connectivity supports iOS, Android, and Windows devices within a 10-meter range, with automatic reconnection to the last paired device. The ABS Plus PC construction feels lightweight yet durable, while the matte finish resists everyday scratches. Overall, it's a compact, versatile keyboard for convenient typing and productivity on the go. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.